Backcountry, compared to other types of snowmobiling, has a few different elements. A little bit more extreme, more full on, there's more risk. You don't have that high-speed trail thrill, but you get that exploration, and you get to go places that not very many people in this world will ever get to see.
I'd say one of my favorite moments in backcountry is sitting on a big vista overlooking a sunset. It just never gets old. Words can't describe it and pictures can't fully capture it. It's just amazing to be in that presence after a hard day of riding with your buddies and good day, and you're coming down and just to stop, take it in. That's got to be one of the best.
I'm also a big fan of the camaraderie up there. Me and Brock are racers. We get on the racetrack, we're not very much friends, but we get in the mountains. Honestly, it's not that much different. We look out for each other's lives, but we push each other.
With Yamaha having so many different lines, I've taken my son daily up the mountains with me, and now there's steps for him to get off the snow scoot into the Venom, and then one day step in his dad's footsteps and jump into a mountain max.
We talk about those views as well, the crazy vistas that you see, the sunsets. Now imagine sharing that with your family, that you just got up there on the snow scooter, the Venom, your kids, and the stoke that they get from that.
Capability of these snowmobiles now, they get a lot further on fuel and they get into the backcountry a lot easier. You know, all the snowmobile clubs we ride with, the trails are very accessible, very family oriented, cabins up top with warmth. It's amazing just how big this sport's gotten.
It's pretty beautiful country up there, and however you can explore it and however you find ways to have fun up there, you got to make it your own.